Hi guys, it's Chic Styles here. We have another great video for you today. It's a room tour of all of our rooms that we stayed in while we were on the beautiful Carnival Vista. So check it out. Okay guys, so we're on deck two. We're trying to find a room now. So we're heading to our room now. We're on deck two. Um, just a beautiful ship. I mean, just look at the decorations on the doors, the carpet on the floor, the lighting. I mean, they really just did an amazing job on this ship. I've been on other Carnival ships, and by far, this is the best one. So we're here. So I was in room 2304 with me and my two children. So it was a basic interior room. So I wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of what these rooms look like. I'm going to also show you an ocean view room that my mom and my grandma has as well. So check it out. Hold on, the key's giving me some issues. All right, there you go. All right, so it's a basic room. Pretty awesome. There I am. Hey guys. So putting down everything. The room isn't that large, but I think it's good enough. Excuse how fast I'm going. I was just super excited to be on the ship. So when you open the closet, it's pretty basic. Your life vest, some hangers. Oh, there I go again. And then there's a safe in there, a couple of drawers, some shelves. So just enough space for 2 to 3 or 4 people to fit very comfortably. All right, and so here's the room. I have a king size bed. That's my daughter. They're playing. There is a mini desk in there. There's also a mini refrigerator, a TV. There's a desk. There's a phone, and here's the bathroom. So pretty basic, but it has all the key essential things that you need. So let's check out the other room. Okay, so this is my mom and grandma's room. They have an ocean view room, so it's a little bit larger than mine. There's the first bathroom. There's the second bathroom. So 2 bathrooms in the room. Pull-out sofa, 2 full-size beds, a TV. There's the desk as well. Kind of breeze through that room. So there's that room. And here is the menu in the room. So if you just want to hang out in the room and you don't want to go out to eat, there's many different things that's included that is no extra charge that you can get throughout the night. And then there are some additional things that you can purchase, like sushi and chicken wings. Pretty good, pretty amazing things. I think I tried almost everything while I was on the cruise. And then there's some of the desserts and beverages they also deliver to the room as well. So all in all, I mean, I think the rooms were a good size. I mean, considering you don't spend that much time in the room anyways. Here's some of the towel animals that was made. We had a great concierge service. So it was a quick video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. And as always, if you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe, like my videos, and I look forward to hearing you guys. Until next time, you guys, this is Chic Styles. Bye.